你好，你们好，大家好，我叫 Connie，很高兴和你一起学汉语。Hey guys, welcome to See Connie's Chinese. I'm really happy to learn Chinese with you. And I thank you guys for your support and everything. I thank you for always watching my video. 我爱你们啊，谢谢，谢谢大家，谢谢。Okay, for the benefits of everyone watching, I'll be speaking English and I'll translate into Chi. Okay, I'll be speaking Chinese language, then I'll interpret or translate into English and Chi. Okay, so you hear Chinese, English and Chi. Okay, me mo kwa ba si koni Chinese so uni ba si koni ni me da masi bebre sa bibia mo hwe me video so no na wo hwe so a mebo modern message so bebo modern na wo me subscribe button na so na afen so no one me I don't mind one chance the bear baby video from about sabeka ho me esua de afen so no na wa share koma odofu bi wadan fu bu nu ebi no no so abeka ye ho ne ya nyina yesua de abo monko amemfa monko amensua de na mpacho ana afen so no wo adwinche bia na wotum de adwinche aba bia wonti bibia se a obetumi ebisa me de yesua wonti ase a obetumi ebisa me. Okay, so guys, today we are going to look at body parts. Okay, body parts in Chinese. Please subscribe to my channel. Just search by my channel's name on YouTube, See Connie's Chinese. See Connie's Chinese on YouTube. Then you subscribe and also click on the notification bell for updates, and also share my video with your friends and loved ones, and also leave your comment if you have a new question, anything that we're going to learn. If you have a new question, you can ask me. Okay. Okay, so you're all welcome to my channel. Okay, today we are going to look at body parts in Chinese. Okay, how to say nose, eyes, and everything. Okay, now I just uploaded a video on YouTube, and this video we were talking about nose, eye, ear, and mouth. Okay, we learned eye, nose, mouth, and ear in Chinese. Okay, so if you didn't watch that video, or if you're new here, you can watch that video after this. I just uploaded the video on YouTube, or See Connie's Chinese. You can search by the channel's name. Okay, you're all welcome to my channel. Please share this video. Okay, please try to share for me. Thank you. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so now guys, let's begin with what you are going to learn. Okay, so what we are going to look at for today or now is this. Can you see? Oh, it's not clear. Please wait. Okay, so we are going to look at how to say face in Chinese. Okay, we are going to look at how to say face in Chinese. Okay, so please read after me. Lian, lian, lian. Very good. Lian means face. Okay, so you can see my face. Face. Lian, lian, lian. Very good. Lian means face. Okay, so if you want to say lian, okay, if you want to say face in Chinese, or if you want to say face in Chinese, you say what? Lian. Lian means face. Or if you hear anyone saying lian, lian, it means face. Face. Lian, face. Okay, me pacho se bia uhu se obi ka say lian a echere say face. Lian means face. And as uhu sa character we na echere say face. Face. Lian. Lian means face. Lian, face. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. The next one that we are going to learn is Ni hao. Okay, so now we are going to look at how to say, what's this? What is this? Okay, hand. Okay, so now let's see how to say hand in Chinese. Okay, Jumbe halama, are you ready? Ready. Jumbe hala. Okay, so now let's see how to say hand in Chinese. Okay, please read after me. 手手手手 very good. 手 means hand. Okay, so if you hear someone saying 手 means hand. 手 in Chinese is hand. 手 hand. Okay, so obi a who say obi ka say 手 and I say ope so obi a ka say hand or Chinese ka say mo obi can say 手 means hand. Please share my video for me. Thank you. Please share for me. I'm waiting for you, okay? Thank you. Share. Okay, so 手 means hand. 手 means hand. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. The next one that we are going to look at is who can guess? Okay, now let's see. Ooh. Okay, so we are looking at this. Okay, what is this? Okay, leg. Okay, so now let's see how to say leg in Chinese. Let's see how to say leg in Chinese. You're all welcome. Welcome to my channel. Welcome. Okay, so now let's see how to say leg in Chinese. Okay, please read after me. 腿 very good. 腿 means leg. 腿 means leg. So if you want to say leg in Chinese, you say what? 腿 means leg. 腿 means leg. Okay, 腿 leg. Okay, say be a person can say leg. I'll be in Chinese say 腿 sorry. Okay, so 腿 means leg. 腿 means leg. Okay, let's move to the last one. The last one that we have here is Ni hao. Okay, what is this? Foot. Okay, foot. Okay, so now let's see how to say foot in Chinese. Let's see how to say foot in Chinese. Okay, please read after me. 足 very good. 足 means foot. Okay, so if you want to say foot in Chinese, you say what? 足 means foot. Or if you hear someone saying 足, it means foot. Okay, so 足 means foot. Okay, so now we just learned 脸 means face. 脸 face. And we also learned 手 hand. 手 hand. And we have also learned leg. Leg in Chinese is what? Okay, 腿 means leg. And we have also learned 足 means foot. 足 means foot. Okay, so now we are going to look at something here. If you want to say two hands in Chinese, okay, we are going to look at how to say two hands in Chinese or both hands in Chinese. Okay, please share my video for me. I beg you. Please share for me, okay? Thank you in Chinese is 谢谢. Okay, so thank you. Okay, so now let's see how to say two hands in Chinese. Okay, let's see how to say two or pair or both in Chinese. Okay, so now let's go. Can you see this? Okay, please read after me. 双手 双手 Okay, very good. 双手 means two hands. Okay, you can see that we all have two hands, right? Two hands. Okay, so two hands in Chinese or both hands in Chinese is 双手. 双手 means two hands or both hands. 双手 two hands. You're all welcome to my channel. Please share this video for me when you come online, or if you join this, please share for me. Thank you. Okay, so 双手 means both hands or two hands. If your person can say two hands or Chinese can say more, I can say 双手 two hands. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. The next one that we have here, we are going to look at how to say feet feet in Chinese, okay? Let's see how to say feet in Chinese. Okay, so please read after me. Okay, please read after me. 双足双足双足双足双足 very good. 双足 means feet, or you can say like 2 foot. Okay, when you combine the two together it becomes what? Feet. Okay, so if you want to say feet in Chinese you will say what? 双足. 双足 means feet. 双足 means feet. Okay, so now let's revise again. Okay, so now let's go. We are going to look at them together one more time. Okay, so please read after me. 连手腿 leg 腿 foot 足 okay, how would you say 2 hands in Chinese? 2 hands in Chinese, how to say it? 双手 very good. I heard someone saying 双手 very good. 你真棒 Okay, so 双手 in Chinese 双手 means 2 hands. 双手 2 hands. Very good. That's great. Okay, 双手 2 hands. Okay, and how would you say feet in Chinese? Feet in Chinese? Who can try? Who can try feet in Chinese? Okay, now you are going to say it all. Okay, I want to hear from you. Okay, 準備好了嗎？準備好了. Are you ready? Ready. Okay, so you are going to say it. 1, 2, 3, go. Wow! I heard someone saying 双足. That's great. I love you. Okay, 双足 means feet. 双足 feet. Okay, please share this video for me, and I'll finish this video very soon. Then I will start a new one. Okay, I will start a new video very soon. So please share this video for me. I'll end the video, then we continue with the next one. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and see you in my next video. 再见.